Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft Outlook account. So for this you have to go for your Google browser on your computer. Now search here Microsoft.com. Okay, okay, and search for it. So you can see a page like this. Now this is your sign in tool. So to click on it. Okay, now you can see if you have an account then you can sign in. If you don't have, then click on create one. Okay, now you have to enter here your email address. So I'll enter here an account, an email address. Okay, uh, okay, so it's done. Then go for next. Then you have to type here your password. So I'll type here my password. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, I'm done. Then go for next. Now you have to add here your first name and last name. My first name is Ritu and last name is Das. Okay, go for you can save it from here and then go for next. So you have to enter your country and birthday. Okay, I'll choose randomly from here. Okay, okay, it's done. Now it's sent a mail, sorry, a code to my mail. Okay, then I have to enter my code to it. It's 42. Okay, okay, so it's verifying now and click on next. Now you have to verify yourself. Submit. One done. Okay, two done. Okay, you have to submit these things. Now it's complete. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, now you can go to your account now. So you can see my account has been created. Now you can go to your Outlook app from here. Okay, it's opening. Okay, now it's done. So guys, this is how you can create a Microsoft Outlook account. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.